Tech is fundamental to value creation and success in business. However, most people who are investing, and perhaps most importantly, most people who are running companies, are not tech experts. There's so much going on. There's complexity, there's speed. And the challenge you have is, what do you do? How do you know what to do? How do you know what not to do? How do you know who to trust? How do you know hire great people? How do you know how to build world-class organizations? How do you know when you're spending money on the right things? There are things that successful teams do, that great managers know how to do, that great players know how to do. But if you just got 9 people together and said, hey, let's go play baseball, the likelihood of them just naturally understanding how high performance teams work doesn't happen. It's the same thing in tech. So high performance tech execution, high performance teams and high performance leaders are built and developed, and it takes a long period of time. And so for most people, you don't have access to that. You don't really have access to that kind of person, but that's what you'd like. What you'd like is, how can I find someone who's been there, has that sort of expertise, has played, if you will, in tech in the big leagues? How can I have that person come and take a look at? Can you look at what we're doing? Can you tell me what you see? Can you see what you think is working, what's not? What can we do different? What can we do better? So fundamentally, that's what we do. We come in bringing the fact that we are all people, product and engineering leaders who've worked at the most powerful tech companies in the world. And we've done that at a very senior level. We've built products that go out to hundreds of millions of people, generating billions and billions of dollars in revenue. So we've played at that level. And what we do is we come in with that experience and say, okay, we will be your co-pilot. We will sit alongside you, CEO or investor, and we will take a look at your team, to be there as an advisor, as a guide, to not to be the person that's doing the work inside your company, but helping you and them make great decisions and execute.